So the radar sound sucks. I mean, it's designed to get the job done, and I think it does a pretty good job doing that because it has this repetitive shrill sound that's meant to get you to stay alert and wake you up. But it's not the best sound to listen to, and it's actually one of the reasons why you could potentially have a bad start to the day is just because your distaste or like your annoyingness towards that sound is just so high that whenever you listen to that sound, your mood just goes down. And so it actually could be a reason why you have a bad start to the day. And so today in this video, I'll be showing you how to set a better sleep schedule and get a good night relaxing sleep using the bedtime feature on your phone. So hopefully this video helps you sleep better and then wake up healthier and happier. Let's get right into it. Welcome back to the Tech Republic. I know, it's been a while since I last uploaded, but I'm here now and this feels great, so let's jump right in. So the feature I'm talking about in this video is called bedtime, and I think it was released somewhere long ago in like iOS 9, 10, or 11, but it did get a huge revamp in iOS 14, and I actually did mention it in my iOS 14 video, which you can check up here or here, I don't know where it goes, but I did mention it in that video, but then I was having a conversation with my brother the other day, and then I realized he was still using the basic alarm. And I'm like, do you know about bedtime? He's like, no, what is that? And then I was just sad.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never.
And yeah, so either he doesn't watch my videos, which I think he does, or I didn't do enough justice to it. So I'm gonna make a video on it because if it helps one person out, it's probably gonna help much more or many more people. And so yeah. So what this new update to bedtime does is essentially adds this level of friction between you and your phone and kind of separates the two at night. And that helps you go to bed more peacefully, which I think is really important. Okay, so to get it set up, the first thing you want to do is go to the health app on your phone, and then you want to tap on the browse tab and then scroll down until you find the sleep icon and tap on that. After that, you can tap on set up sleep, and then you'll be prompted to enter your sleep goal where you can enter how many hours you want to sleep each night. And so I have mine set up to 8 hours because I just think anything above 8 hours is way too ambitious. And if I do end up like wanting to sleep for 9 hours a day or maybe even 10 hours a day, I'm probably not gonna hit that just because I have school and stuff. And so I think if I go above 8 hours, I'm going way too ambitious and I'm just gonna be less likely to actually hit that, and that's gonna be not motivational, and then it's just gonna wither down. So I think 8 hours is pretty good, but yours might vary. So yeah. So after that, you'll be presented with the scroll wheel, and I think it's pretty cool because it helps you see what time you should go to bed if you want to hit your sleep goal and wake up at a particular time. So let's say you want to wake up at 7:30 a.m. and hit your 8-hour sleep goal, it'll tell you, okay, go to bed at 11:30 p.m. And so it's just really helpful in planning out your day. And you can even drag the edges, so you can drag and hold the bell icon at the bottom or the bed icon and adjust the time you want to go to bed. And I think it's pretty helpful because it takes me quite a while to fall asleep after actually getting into bed, so it helps you adjust for that. And then the usual, you can even adjust what days you want it to go off on. So if you have school starting late a certain day, you can adjust for that. Then you can also set up a wind down time, and what this does is automatically turns on do not disturb a while before you go to bed. And so let's say your bedtime is midnight and you set up a wind down time of 15 minutes, it will just turn do not disturb on at 11:45 p.m. at night. And I think this is actually very useful because it prevents you from getting notification anxiety, especially during COVID when it's hard to separate your school environment from your home environment. So it kind of just helps out with that. And so once you're done setting up this wind down time, you can also set up some shortcuts to give you easy access to things you might want to do before you go to bed. So if you're someone who journals before going to bed, you can set up a shortcut to open the specific note folder where you do your daily journaling. Or if you're someone who listens to podcasts, you can set up a Siri shortcut that opens your specific podcast and plays an episode from it before you go to bed. And so I personally have my sleep playlist or my sleep shortcut set up. And so by just the tap of one button, I have a sleep timer that is set up and my sleep playlist on Apple Music starts playing. And I just think it's just easy and just right there and there. So pretty easy access. And if you want to know how to set up your own sleep shortcut, let me know down below in the comments and I'll make a video on it. And that about wraps up the entire setup for sleep mode. And I think it's pretty useful because it just adds this nice barrier between you and your phone, making you less likely to use it. And that's just honestly much better for your health. Oh wait, and an added bonus is that you can actually scroll through and track your sleep so you can see how long you slept each night, and that's just a nice added feature, I think. Just a warning, the data you see here is only from this past week, and so relative to everything, it's not the best. I accidentally deleted all of my previous data because I was trying to film something or just like get set up for this video, and I accidentally just deleted all of it. And so I actually had to push back the filming of this video because I wanted to show you the tracking feature, and this week was pretty rough, so that's why it's like whoop. But I trust you, this has helped me, and I hope it helps you too. Ironically, it's 1:30 a.m. as I edit this video, so this is what it looks like when it's all set up. So as you can see in this view, you have this nice message that tells you to sleep well. It gives you the date and time. And if you want to access any app or access your phone in general, you actually have to tap the dismiss button and then swipe up. And because it's kind of like blurred and everything, it sort of adds this barrier because it makes you want to use your phone less as compared to just regularly swiping up. And you can also tap on the shortcuts button and get access to the shortcuts you set up. So it's just quick and easy access to all the stuff you want to do before you want to get to bed. So that is how your phone can help you correct your sleep schedule. Hopefully you learned something from this video, and if you did, don't forget to leave a like down below, because if you did learn something, chances are someone else would also learn something, and the like button just helps this video get to more people. And the more people this gets to, the more sleep cycles are improved. So hopefully if you did like this video, do leave a like and then comment down below the next video you want to see. And subscribe for more videos like this. I'm going to be posting a lot more in the next few months, and hopefully you watch these videos. So thank you for watching. I really enjoyed making this video and I hope you learned something from it. Adios and sweet dreams.